Have you installed the iOS 26 on your iPhone and experiencing different problems like your iPhone is overheating, battery is draining too fast, the touch screen is unresponsive, lagging, or any other problem? Then here is how you actually can fix them all at once. Well, so any problem that you might be experiencing after updating to the iOS 26 is the software bugs. Now to fix this, you just need to force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. And once you see the Apple logo appears, release the button and this will actually restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But sometimes this process doesn't work. Then all you have to do is just need to open up the settings app from your iPhone. And then you just need to scroll down, tap on General here, and then scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset here, and tap on Reset All Settings, and you just need to put your iPhone passcode, and then you just need to tap on Reset All Settings for the last time, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it'll get back to the default. So you will lose your Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have customized, so you just need to keep in mind. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did everything but you have the same problem over and over again, then this might be a major software glitch. There's no way to fix the problem until you get the new update. You just need to open up the settings app once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on General here, tap on Software Update, and if you found any pending update, you just need to update your iPhone to the latest version in order to bug fixes for all. And this is how you actually can fix this problem. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.